how to add the Samsung music player and cue widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold. Next, we go down, then tap on widgets. Next, in here, scroll down and then tap on music. In the music section, touch and hold, then drag the player and cue widget to your home screen and drop it. And here you can also resize your widget to make it shorter or longer. Now you can also touch and hold on the widget, then tap on settings. In here you'll be able to customize the background color. I'll just cancel that. So here we can cancel the background color to white or black. You can also change the transparency of your widget and then tap on save. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.